Are you tired of store-bought bread that tastes like cardboard and has the nutritional value of a soggy paper towel? It's time to step up your carb game with a bread machine. Imagine the intoxicating aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through your home, making you the envy of every neighbor. Not all bread machines are created equal, though. Some need like champions, while others might as well be doorstops. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best bread machines for your culinary adventures. So grab your apron and prepare to rise to the occasion. Let's get baking. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B, our pick for best budget bread machine. The Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic Programmable Bread Machine. Your new kitchen sidekick that's here to turn you into a home baking superstar without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to store-bought bread and hello to your very own artisan creations right at home. This nifty appliance handles the heavy lifting, kneading, rising, and baking while you kick back and sip your coffee. Got a craving for a perfect loaf? You can whip up anything from hearty wheat bread to fluffy white loaves, all while basking in the sweet aroma wafting through your kitchen. With 3 settings for loaf sizes, you can go big with a 2-pounder or keep it cozy with a 1-pound mini. Plus, with 19 pre-programmed functions, it even tackles pizza dough, because who doesn't love a surprise pizza night? Worried about timing? Fret not. Take control of your schedule with the 15-hour delay timer. You can set the machine to wake up a half hour before you do. And with a 60-minute keep warm function, your bread will be toasty and ready whenever you are. So free up that oven and let the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker do its thing. Less time cleaning, more time enjoying fresh bread. Who knew baking could be this easy? Number 4. Amazon Basics. BM1349 ULB, our pick for best compact bread machine. Meet the Amazon Basics Bread Machine, the compact wonder that's about as big as your toaster, but has far more to offer than just browning your bagels. Think of it as the little kitchen gadget that could, and boy does it deliver. You might just find yourself saying goodbye to store-bought bread and hello to loaf perfection right from your countertop. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through your kitchen. And no, it doesn't have to cost you a small fortune or take up half your counter space. This pint-sized powerhouse rises to the occasion, producing loaves that boast a fantastic rise and a crust so robust you could use it as a doorstop if you weren't too busy devouring it. But wait, there's more. The speedy basic cycle finishes in less than 3 hours, perfect for those days when your craving for carbs just can't be ignored. Unlike those budget machines that leave you guessing, this clever little chef actually tells you what stage of the baking cycle it's in. Need to remove the paddle before the magic happens? No problem. With just 550 watts of power, it's energy efficient too. So go ahead, wipe it down with a dry cloth, and let the deliciousness begin. Your mornings will never be the same. Thank your future self later. Still searching for the perfect bread machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. West Bend 47413 High-Rise Programmable, our pick for best bread machine for large capacity. If your family devours bread like it's going out of style, you need to meet your new best friend, the West Bend 3 Points High-Rise Bread Maker. This little wonder can whip up the biggest bread loaf you've ever seen. Yes, we're talking about a whopping 3 pounds of pure, fluffy goodness. Perfect for feeding your hungry crew, but don't worry if it's just you and 1 or 2 others for dinner. It can also craft a dandy 1.5 pounds loaf for those cozy nights in. What's the secret sauce? Well, it's got 2 kneading arms that ensure every ingredient is mixed to perfection. The result? A lighter, fluffier loaf that rises higher than your hopes for a clean kitchen after a baking session. Plus, its traditional loaf shape makes slicing a breeze, no more awkward lopsided pieces. But wait, there's more. The West Bend comes with a dozen settings, allowing you to choose the perfect crust color and even set it to start while you're still dreaming. Sure, it doesn't have an express option, and some settings might take up to 3 hours. So, kick back with a cup of coffee or tea, and before you know it, you'll have fresh bread that'll make your kitchen the envy of the neighborhood. Your tummies and taste buds will thank you. Number 2. Zojirushi BBPDC 20BA, our pick for best high-end bread machine. If you're really diving into the world of home-baked bread, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso is your golden ticket. Yes, it comes with a price tag that might make your wallet weep a little, and it needs some space that might cramp your kitchen style. But this machine is like that reliable friend who's always there for you, just not at a discount. What makes the Zojirushi a standout? First off, it's got double paddles in its loaf pan. Think of it as getting a workout buddy for your dough, resulting in bread that's got that perfectly chewy texture and a crust that wouldn't dare shy away from a crust-off competition. And let's not overlook the elongated horizontal pan. Your slices will have that delightful traditional loaf shape that makes sandwiches a masterpiece. But wait, there's more. This machine features a smorgasbord of settings. Gluten-free, vegan, sugar-free, you name it, it's got it. Plus, the digital display is so user-friendly, it practically holds your hand through the whole process. Sure, it starts with a rest cycle that might feel like a tease, but trust me, this helps your yeast strut its stuff and delivers a loaf that'll make you the toast of the town. Get ready to become the bread-baking hero you were meant to be. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cuisinart CBK110, our pick for best bread machine overall. If you're on the hunt for a compact bread maker that won't empty your wallet, let me introduce you to the Cuisinart 2-pound wonder. It's like having a personal bread artist right in your kitchen, sans the beret and long mustache. This beauty didn't just bake, it delivered loaves that would make a bakery owner weep with jealousy. Seriously, the aroma of fresh bread wafting through your home? Pure bliss. And as for the user-friendly design, even your pet goldfish could operate it. Okay, maybe not, but you get my drift. The recipe book reads like a culinary adventure guide, filled with innovative recipes that are as clear as your favorite Netflix show after a long binge. Whether you're a bread-making novice or a seasoned pro looking for your next challenge, this nifty gadget comes at a price that won't require a small loan. And let's talk features. 12 settings, including white, wheat, sweet, gluten-free dough, and jam. Yes, jam! So you can pretend you're a fancy brunch host without the hassle of actually inviting anyone over. Plus, with a single kneading paddle, it's like your own mini chef working tirelessly to create that perfect loaf. No culinary degree needed. In short, the Cuisinart 2-pound bread maker is your ticket to fresh homemade bread that'll have you feeling like a kitchen superstar. Dust off that apron and let's get baking. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best bread machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which bread machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.